Yes, sir.
Yes.
Lawyers know you had a check of 500. Akoma ANAS lawyer.
Really?
Mode
check na Akoma no.
Yeah, the check na Akoma. And say ANAS lawyer bet me at any DFU. Na balance the qua, as I say, ANAS try the car for legal fees and Bibiano, and they are between or no and then a lawyer.
Wow.
But never to me, I can't want to say, and no question for war. A wrong understanding of the case.
Exactly.
But psychophobic crapoka said, and I can Agyapong lawyers, a cocoa park court, no child,
near
the too much. That be, we didn't go to court, say it too much. And the Agyapong lawyers, Uncle Paja, the child, say if our child to Sumaye, and yes, I go by.
Wow.
Emom, rather no. Yet, judge and say, Emremuno under the Jersey law, no. And by virtue of the fact of this case, I am back court, you know. ANAS is limited to nominal damages. Our court at the tomb did that, and Sakrani do penalty, the damages stage. And until Esa say, and no pen or qualify for no. Young as a jury, no, the right thing or not. Now, qualify for no, and right to say, into me more than 500. And it's a jury, I command more than 500. And that is a jury, no, I am mistake. And to judge, no, correct jury, any mistake, no. So, I am Rano, ever double beer, as I said.
I see, and I'm also citing, authorities be other cases visual, and also any assembly so and I'm quite super pepe. Emma Nina, it's Emma Massam Nidimuye. Oh gosh.
Yes, I not just authorities, Keke. Both authorities and also the statute.
Yeah.
I know now, you see how my ear transfer. A crime bench on file any appeal.
Godfred Seba, or say it was a technical knockout. It's a knockout for ANAS and his team. Now, lawyer Ochre.
Many Godfred, they are doing.
Lawyer, that was a
I said that you're okay, cool.
Yeah, that's a power now. Baby, Adrian, the other said, "Be best to the ANAS." But there was a bit brave for the time.
Team Kennedy, the debate yesterday, episode, what's your video? ANAS, try yes or not court. Our video could try to question that they be good on more jubilate any idea. And then the sentence that he who laugh last.
Oh,
laugh the best, no, no crap.
Papa, history. It repeats itself. Now, from all that we've heard a while ago, which angles been a bit convincing judge and say yes, jurors no dear and said no more because they were directed to do specific things and they didn't listen, and then quickly that jump into what you call the mistrial. Educate us.
And that's lawyer statement or court said the jury instructions and a confusion by not any no correct. In fact, at the time of trial, there was a mini judgment on issues. One of the issues that judge, it really is the fact that ANAS did not prove any actual damages.
Oh, I see.
And the court made a determination, say, ANAS can prove actual damage. And the actual damages is not available to ANAS. Once a judge in a case actual damages and yet has not been proven by ANAS, no, the issue became defamation per se. under New Jersey statute. So when proved harm as a result of the defamatory statement now, you are only limited to compensatory damage, a nominal damage.
I see.
So that was the argument. Now, Oglahoma Emma Team Ken, in making it clear, you are only limited to compensatory damage, a nominal damage.
I see.
So that was the argument. Now, categorically, Oglahoma Emma Team Ken, in making it clear, in the submission said, ANAS improved the case, and the judge agreed and made a ruling on that particular point. Now, you instructed jury, no? The judge instructed the jury, said, well, go consider what the statements now. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong Kaya, I have 5 statements. You can't want 70 that.
Sure, last week.
And we said, say, in America here, the Okacho be said, oh, you're criminal. You have to show Zonia Kono has been convicted by a competent court. Okacho be said, or I extorted something. You have to prove it, say, who want to say, Ojinaho, extorted. And there are so many cases. Now, our argument and it says statements now can a statement that was our Ghana. Our court, our Ghana. There is a judgment in the Ghana court in his favor. But Judge Neyer said America's statement, will be taken as a loan. It stands in society here. Now, it stands jury, court ruling here say ANAS improve actual damages, no. Instructions to the jury was very simple. We going to consider nominal damages.
Oh, I see.
And that is where the jury went into deliberation. One called deliberation once, yes, that's 5 statements, no. Yeah, to me, I'm proving no crap. There were ANAS or ANAS. It's statement, a defamation. But mistake jury the year NSA. Instead of looking at a defamation per se limited to 500, it's Yama ANAS award either $1 or between $1 to $500 now. What will do on emotions? A cool mobile. Ebeka say, one award of 18 million.
Oh, I see.
So, on the face, right away, there was a miscarriage of justice. The law in New Jersey is very clear. If you cannot prove actual damages, you are not entitled to actual damages. And actual damages is out. So when you actual damages in SWA, don't qualify for punitive damages. And to punitive damages also, it's out. The third option, and so they said nominal damage now, over qualify for no. And the New Jersey law, I am limited to only 500.
Oh.
I didn't hear. There's so many times I'm confronting sometimes out of anger, out of spite. Maybe you heard 1 year sworn political enemies, and they can make 1 or 2 statements. And no, doesn't mean say there is what is called malice. Say Agyapong Sends. In this particular case, court now I'm not ruling say accept now Honorable Kennedy Agyapong or the Agyapong in the kafa and that. And yes, I not here. But a defamation per se, In fact, kwaku hold me say bufu na make kan send chiro na wo anya bufu. That statement will be considered as defamation per se in most cases.
Sure. Oh, I see.
Now, during the time jury every Chinese verdict said 18 million. You make key preliminary objection. And my judge who said, jury award wrong in law. Because the even only for defamation per se now, they can only give 500. And 18 million.
18 million.
And right there, there were so many things that came to mind. Part of remedies are available to Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. One, anything you go for mistrial. Mistrial, and I say, jury now I get the whole case so wrong. We say, yes, I and share a seminar for you. I mean, number one. Number two, and I say, enter you may go for editor, meaning say they will add to the award or remediator. Judge, ever say award no so.
Yeah.
Because excessive. And the third one, molding the award of the jury to conform with New Jersey law.
I see.
Judge, am I quite say, young concord chro nina near famra. Then legal team, Equatenase. We look at all the scenarios and we told ourselves that even though the fact someone find a statement need defamation, or your name, jury and your journal, and a waste of your time, say, you better acquire static case all over again.
I see.
Especially if punishment is you just 500. And until sanity, you go forward. Now you go to mold the judgment. I mean, the jury verdict to conform with the law.
Yeah.
Legal team said this is the best strategy for Honorable Ken. And out of the three options are they available to him now? We chose the one that we are going to pursue.
I see.
And Team ANAS, I'm finally that there's a mistrial. No. In fact, what they are on file here, editor. Say, Judge, in fact, the credit being 18 million, no crampona, one jury, no award.
Wow.
Yes. It's two motions, and the court. And Kennedy Agyapong team, was strong legal basis. And we cited both the statute and the case law. Within New Jersey, similar instances are happening. In fact, in a case, your friend Dawson versus Anastasia, New Jersey court, it will say, and I'll just read. A miscarriage of justice has been described as a pervading sense of wrongness needed to justify undoing a jury verdict, which can arise from the manifest lack of inherent credible evidence to support the finding.
I see.
Obvious overlooking or undervaluation of crucial evidence or a clearly unjust result. Now, it was one of our arguments that who hear the verdict of the jury now clearly a miscarriage of justice has happened because jury won't need quite $600, let alone to go to $80 million.
I see.
This was the argument. And this is what the judge upheld. Way any judgment judge not agree, yes, sir. Can the Agyapong team and make it sound legal argument, and therefore he has to correct mistakes now during to conform with New Jersey law.
I see. This is interesting.
Yes.
This is interesting. Wow.
Moshina ANAS lawyers at the Bayano on May 12, 2025, judge deny motion, and it is the order here, or say this matter having been brought before the court by way of cross motion of Andrew K. D. Hare, Esquire, attorney for plaintiff, for an order granting an addiction to the jury's punitive damages award, or in the alternative, granting a new trial limited to the issue of damages. And the court having reviewed the papers submitted and having been heard oral argument and for good cause shown, it is on this 12th day of May 2025 ordered as follows. 1. Plaintiff's motion is hereby denied. 2. A copy of this order shall be served upon all counsel of record within 20 days. Signed, Honorable Jeffrey B. Beecham, Justice of the Superior Court. So that was the decision for buyer.
And I didn't pronounce my friend is saying gavel, no?
Or did you say
bum? Hey,
cut upon.
No, yeah. That's a great, pretty fascinating. I mean, very fantastic analysis now, dear man, on this whole verdict. So he says, we am a gun in Ibia worship program, we are NASA and a Jewutiano. Enya Semimun Chirimu Papa say Ghana had ye binimu titina basani asre, but many are not making sense out of them. More especially say yenye lawyer need me who say asamne kosi ane kosi. But I think the analysis we ama ene joye interested bia was a landmark case we know enya no honti ase nam ne ade. Lawyer Shodakwe yeah that was papa for walking us through how many days weeks near. We are so much and most grateful them which me are walking through my all over Ghana ne beyond one more pass and we munchim at least we might mean yes and again inti media ne boma aremia obeti me yendu twa ne maybe so na bibia ne minim but me pick a lot of intelligence be brave. I'm picking a lot of intelligence be brave. Say here in Ghana no Ahmed Swali ni wo no quite apart from see jai ni pebi Emma, yenya evidence biya ewo mo. Let me quickly release the intelligence for you. And I am simply telling Ghana Police CID precisely, straight. There is a frantic effort mopesa moche obi. Namri ni kotum on this Ahmed Swali case. Me aware. Meetings na mo kono me. I'm part of the meeting. Mutie me. Me say the meetings being conducted by some top hierarchy of the Ghana Police, precisely CID. Mo pesa mo sa arrest obi fufro. Yeah, aware. We know. 2. Me kweku amete hey. Ayemo say, mo susu say, mo dream say. Me, I have shown Ahmed Swali picture. Me the first person I show Swali picture. You prove it beyond this kind. Yes, sir. Me in America. We go to ECOWAS court. Me ni Ghana Police in here. Me do nyame. Mama from us, mama su. Me catch them. I am aware of the intelligence now. Any new man air course hono. So obieni me guasia. Areme yaw. If you have been embarrassed and disgraced beyond recovery, stay put. No police officer or any security service, Ghana Police, said me kwekwana me na me dey Ahmed picture. EDP abonten first. Enti, my goodness. Tama moche why granting etum no me mama a lot of build up catch them say granting amudu natum no munya evidence but didn't I say this? I said a lot without malice, but to help the Ghana police say, "Mobile investigation akoye." Mwentie me. Na mo de abrante ni tumu. How many days, weeks, month? Nye that way. Mo say I attempt. Nipa mo pese mo di tumu no. I have the person's detail. Mo nim se minim. And I mean su kweku anan. Arrangement amoye towards me. I know, but I can only tell you to back off. Because my international partners and foreign agents, they are also monitoring the situation closely. Na man hwene de basic room hano. So man hwene maybe ya de basic room hano. Because nekra eyawano, let the truth be spoken, and the truth shall vindicate everybody. All right?